In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Dynamic Island on Android in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. Make sure you have already downloaded Dynamic Island from your Play Store. You can see that I have already downloaded it. Now open it. At the top, you can see this option of turn on. First, you have to turn on that icon, tap on it. You can see that Dynamic Island has appeared in your top of the screen. Now scroll down, open the option notification. You have to turn on this option, tap on that icon to see the notifications and do the actions on Dynamic Island view. Now go back and open the option display. You have to enable this option as well to move the dynamic view to the appropriate position on your smartphone screen. Now go back, go to the option gesture, open it. Now enable this long touch icon so that the Dynamic Island will pop up menu dialog. Now go back, open the option donate. You can use the premium version of the Dynamic Island as well. Now go back. Now close your Dynamic Island app. Here we go. At the top, you can see that Dynamic Island has appeared. Just long press on it. You can see different options. You can directly open your settings now. Also, you can take this screenshot by tapping on that option of screenshot, or you can lock your screen by tapping on that option of lock screen. You can directly open your camera and flashlight as well. Also, you can get the notifications through Dynamic Island. You can see that I'm getting notifications from Instagram. In this way, you can easily use Dynamic Island on Android. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.